Waiting for batteries to charge is one of the most frustrating parts about using cordless power tools, and this upgrade completely changed that for me. This right here is the Ryobi ONE Plus 18 volt fast charger, and I've been using it alongside my other Ryobi tools and collection for well over a year now. I started with the standard charger that comes with most kits and it worked fine, but once I switched to this, I'm not going back. I'm Dan, and I mainly use my Ryobi power tools for DIY at home, so time-saving upgrades like this really matter to me. So the biggest difference between the fast charger and the original one I started with is simply speed, okay? With my 5Ah battery right here, the charger takes it from empty to fully charged in about an hour. Roughly 2.5 times faster than the basic charger that I started with. And in real life, as a busy dad and DIYer, that means I am getting my battery back faster to complete the job faster, and I can then use that time saved for other things with my day. Okay, to use it, nice and simple, it literally plugs in, hear the click, okay, and you got the battery itself with the LEDs now lit up, as well as the LEDs on the front of the charger itself, red and green, and a couple of indicators below which tells you exactly what the flashing or stationary LEDs actually mean, okay? And when you're done and you want the battery back, squeeze and pull out, exactly the same as you would with any one of the ONE Plus tools, okay? Now, one of the features I found particularly helpful with this is the ready to go indicator that basically tells me when the battery's had enough charge to be usable, even if it's not 100% yet. And for quick jobs, that's a big deal because again, it means I can complete the job faster and move on to other things with my day. The battery itself does work with all batteries in the ONE Plus range. So if you've got a couple already, then this will be compatible with all of them, okay? Now the charger itself is 1 kilo in weight, feels real solid and well made, okay? It's compact enough to go on a bench, like you can see mine right here, or you can use the pre-built-in wall mounting clips that are on the back, okay? Though you do need to provide your own fixings. Either way, it's really versatile with a nice 2-meter long cable coming out of the back, okay? You've also got a ton of vents all over it, top, bottom and sides, which helps keep the whole unit cool when it's in use, stops it overheating. Now, I've used mine, as I say, for well over a year. I've knocked it, kicked it, dropped it in that time as it's lived in my shed. And honestly, the performance has continued to be flawless. I've never had any issues with it. And generally, as a busy dad, trying to do DIY when I get the chance, it's just a massive time save for me. It's an upgrade I didn't know I needed, but now I have it, I would never go back. Hopefully, this helps you out. Thank you so much for making it to the end of my video here on YouTube. Hopefully you stuck with me to the end because you found it informative and had some good information in it. In which case, please leave it a like so other people know that it's helpful and informative. And if you really liked it, consider subscribing using the button down below. Any questions, please leave them in the comments. I respond to as many as I can. And until we speak again, have a great day.